For demonstration, here we have 16 stitches on my needle, 14 stitches, multiple of 7, 2 times 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 plus 2 edge stitches, 16. Here I purl 2 base row, you can knit any body you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Hit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row pull these all stitches. Second row and every wrong side rows we make same, pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Third row right side. Slip edge from here we start our bead pattern, knit 1, yarn over SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, knit together from back loop, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 1, yarn over SSK, knit 4. This is 7 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6, 7. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time, knit 1, yarn over SSK, slip and knit from back loop, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed. Now fourth row wrong side, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Fifth row right side, slip edge from here we start our repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over SSK, slip and knit from back loop, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 2, yarn over SSK, knit 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? So one more time, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over SSK, slip and knit from back loop, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed. Now sixth row wrong side, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Seven row right side, slip edge from here we start our repeat pattern, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over SSK, slip and knit from back loop, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here, knit 3, yarn over SSK, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over SSK, slip and knit from back loop, knit 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. 7 row is completed. Now 8 row wrong side, pull these all stitches till the end of row. Ninth row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, yarn over SSK, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. Hummus जो है so one more time. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop, knit 1. Knit edge from right side. Ninth row is completed now. 10th row, wrong side. Pull these all stitches till the end of row. Row 11 right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 5, yarn over SSK. Again we repeat this pattern. Hummus जो है so one more time. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop. Knit edge from right side. Row 11 is completed now. Row 12 wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Now row 13 right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Now we make 5 extra loops from these holes. From down to up way we make extra stitches, 5 extra stitches from these 5 holes. Make first loop from this first hole. Make an extra stitch from this hole, make some loose stitch, 1. Now from second hole, 2. From third hole, 3. From fourth hole, 4. From fifth hole, 5. Here we have 5 extra stitches and take this 1 stitch. Here we have total 6 stitches. Take 6 stitches together and knit 6 together from back loop. Now knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our repeat from here to here. Here we make 5 extra stitches. After that knit 6 together from back loop and knit 6. Again we repeat this pattern. Hummus जो है so one more time. Make 5 loops from these 5 holes. First we make first stitch from first hole. 1, make some loose stitch. Now from second hole, 2, from third hole, 3, from fourth hole, 4 and from fifth hole, 5. Take this 6 stitch with these 5 stitches and knit 6 together from back loop. Knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern last edge knit edge from right side. Row 13 is complete. Now row 14 wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Row 14 is completed and our pattern is also completed. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 14 rows, and after repetition of 14 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweaters of any. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.